Yepyeni bir videodan daha hepinize selamlar arkadaşlar. Bugün sizlerle birlikte 1. Klasmana kasma serimize devam ediyoruz ve 7. Klasmana çıkacağız. 2 maç kazanmaya ihtiyacımız var. Hızlıca maçlara geçelim. Rakibimiz geldi, bizden çok daha yüksek bir takım gücüne sahip ve kadrosu da daha kaliteli gördüğünüz gibi. Neyse, kendi kadromuzu da ayarlayıp maça geçelim.
Substantially more lucrative. They really do want to get off to a flyer here. Such scenes here. A sea of team colours, songs ringing down from the stands. The tone is set for the 90 minutes ahead. There's the hit! And kept out by the most elastic of saves.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played.
Madrid with the corner, they're first. Vieira! Big relief, it just needed better contact.
Vieira very nearly made that count from a combination of luck and good judgment.
And it's Messi. Nicked it back promptly, and it's gone back to the keeper. A long ball by the goalkeeper. Haaland. And here's Heung-min. Now then, the ball's come loose. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, I think Ward-Prowse will have a key role, Peter. He will undoubtedly be asked to set the tempo. He's someone who we've known about since his early days. He did fade for a little while, but he's back stronger than ever now, and he's showing a lot more snap, more personality, more assertion, and central midfield is certainly his best role.
Okay, interesting. Caught offside that time. Cruyff. Ødegaard. Now it's Del Piero. Now it's Cruyff. Well, now here's a good battle, bicep to bicep. Cruyff is fouled.
Well, not the best way to deal with it, but the old threat of pace clearly made him feel a tad uncomfortable.
Messi having a look.
This is the sort of thing he craves, a chance to make a telling impact.
Denied by a great piece of goalkeeping.
Absolutely terrific reflexes, goalkeeping at its very best.
And he was quick to react. Ward-Prowse. Mohamed Salah. Cruyff. Now it's Del Piero. And he skips past his man.
İkinci yarıdan devam edelim arkadaşlar. İlk devrenin geri kalanı sıkıcı geçti çünkü sizleri sıkmak istemedim.
No score in the first half. Who's ready to go for it now? Ward-Prowse. Casillas, will lay claim to that? And the keeper's given it away. He's got away. Great hit! And it's a goal!
Well, it's hardly a great surprise to see him doing something thrilling, and it should send a strength and courage through every one of his teammates from here.
An act of charity gratefully received.
The goal scorer for Galatasaray after 50 minutes.
Galatasaray take the lead, 1-0.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worth the treat.
And he's managed to get free. Now the finish! A potential goal of the season contender, if only.
He's the one player you want on the ball running at defenses, and that's precisely why.
Değişikliklerimizi de gerçekleştirdik. Güzel gidiyoruz, inşallah bu şekilde devam ederiz.
And now they can spring out of defence. That pass isn't the best. Out for a throw. That's the throw.
The attendance for this match was
That pass has been well intercepted.
71,649.
And there's green grass ahead of him. It could be a big chance! They've scored!
Arkadaşlar, ikinci golde sonra rakibimiz daha fazla oynamak istemeyip maçı bıraktı. Hızlıca ikinci maçımıza geçelim. İkinci maçta da rakibimizin takımı bu şekilde, kolektif gücü daha fazla ama bence bizim takımımız daha iyi. Haydi bakalım, son maçımız kazanırsak 7. klasmandayız.
Caution to the wind, but he himself will be looking for the perfect outcome here. And expectations are rising and decibel levels are rising. The noise is quite something. You can feel what football means. Real chance! Goal!
Well, once more, it's him, and we can't be surprised because his instinct for doing this is incredible. Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
Galatasaray have their opener. It is a goal of real significance.
Well, Peter, this now poses the question of stick or twist. Do they immediately go for another one, or sit back and wait patiently for the opportunity to break?
Van Dijk cuts out the pass. Forward it goes.
They've got to be quick moving this forward.
Nicely weighted ball. Saka does really well to win the ball there. Oh, well cut out, no margin for error there at all. Maradona, now it's Neymar. And that is a little undercooked. And that is as far as they're going to go. And it's played forward. Now it's Messi. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. Oh, it's played into the area.
Well, he got rid because he was under pressure.
Alvarez. Oh, well played, that has snuffed out the danger. No, he's not played the ball, that's a foul. No, not quite.
The moans and groans are predictable. He felt compelled to try.
Gently done. Now it's Maradona.
That's good play from him.
Neymar. That pass has been well intercepted. And he's intervened well there. Messi. Salah. Passes coming off in quick succession here. There were better options before the ball was lost. Easy to save from up here, I know. Ødegaard.
This is the time you need that pace.
Well seen, saw that coming. Nice interception, his positioning was spot on. Heung-min, can he finish? And yes, it's there! And this is getting better and better. One sweeping move, executed with deadly efficiency.
Yeah, when you're hit on the counter-attack like that, it's like walking into a sucker punch, and they're dazed.
And now he has two. Galatasaray take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in.
Well, that second goal has given them so much more command and confidence now, and they should be able to take it on from here and either add to their lead or close it out. Surely they'll manage one or the other.
And it's Ward-Prowse. Alvarez. And there is the half-time whistle. Some first-half thoughts?
Well, it's looking pretty straightforward, Peter. They've got themselves into a very good position, so why dither from here when they can repeat their first-half success with another show of strength?
Galatasaray ahead 2-0, and they are looking good. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half. Rashford! Great build-up. It all deserved a better ending.
It didn't quite come off on this occasion, but it only needs a gentle tweak.
And we have our very first corner. And now a sudden chance to counter. Here's a sharp little ball here. Saka. Well, a glitch with the rangefinder there, and evident annoyance.
Encouraged the pass with an intelligent run, but the pass just lacked pace.
Messi.
They want to be quick here. It's breakaway time.
Played out wide. Messi wins. Oh, here's a chance! Here's Rodri.
They'll want to make the most of this turnover.
987.
Rodri. De Ligt. Galatasaray looking to pass their way through. Ødegaard. And that interception was most necessary. Oh, it's a promising build-up, this. Plenty of really nice passing. Bit of a communication breakdown there, it seems. Good spot, he's seen the run. He's shifting through the gears here. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. Looking for the run. Oh, well played, well played. And out to safety. Marquinhos. Now it's Rodrigo. Away from immediate danger. And the counter is on. Madrid needed that. They really needed it.
You know, it was an intervention that had to be made. Serious trouble lay in store.
Could be danger here. Oh, it just needed a better touch, and you can see his annoyance.
Oh, what a dampener that was, just when we were hoping he'd turn up the heat.
Oh, that's fabulous. Well, the defence proved infallible then, but that won't be the last they'll see of him. He's got to be in here! Rudiger. Now it's Ødegaard. Works it forward. And they're not going to make any further progress. It's heung-min! Messi! And for a moment, time stood still.
Evet arkadaşlar, yine aynı skorla, yani 2-0'lık skorla rahat bir şekilde kazanarak 7. klasmana yükselmeye hak kazanıyoruz. Düşük klasmanlarda zorlanmamamız gayet normal, rakiplerimiz de çok güçlü gelmiyor çünkü. PES serisini sevdiğinizi biliyorum, siz istediğiniz için anlatım verisi indirdim, siz de abone olursanız beni çok mutlu edersiniz. Bu arada ödüllerimizi de alalım. Görüşmek üzere, hoşça kalın.